Remember, success in these areas often requires time, effort, and consistent dedication. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services, such as writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing, on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. 2. Online selling. Start an e-commerce store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy, selling products you create or source, such as crafts, clothing, or digital goods. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from other companies through your website, blog, or social media. You earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. 4. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast on a topic you're passionate about as your audience grows. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or premium content. 5. Online courses or books. If you're knowledgeable about a specific subject, create and sell online courses or books on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing.